So I want to make this video thanking everyone for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Also, shout out to Jimmy Oaks for opening my fan mail. Got a massive boost from that I was not expecting. But I want to kind of do a giveaway, say thanks to everyone that has subscribed so far. To enter that giveaway, you need to like, comment, and also be subscribed to me. Don't care what you comment whatever you want. I'll give you all 2 weeks to do so. Also, share this video to your friends. Try to blow this video up. After the 2 weeks, I'm gonna do a live and I'll go through the comments. I'll randomly pick someone, or I'll figure out a way to do it fairly. And what y'all will be winning is a hoodie, a tank top, and a shirt, and whatever color you want, and then whatever 2 designs, either the Wagon or the Miata. You also get a Weekend Garage sticker, and then a Weekend Garage private drift event sticker, which is not sold. And on top of all that, you're gonna get a discount code to get the next 3 designs that I drop for free. So with all that being said, again, I appreciate all of you. Y'all are awesome. Share this video up. Let's make it go viral, and good luck to whoever wins. Yeah. Alright, ready? Damn, the door's open. Okay.